It is just a cold, or is it something worse? That's the question some Sioux Falls parents had until they took their daughter to the doctor. KELOLAND's Kelly Volk reports on what they found and what you should know to protect your family.
Point 0.5.
When Leslie Feitbolch's 7-year-old daughter Gabriella came down with a cough, the mother of 3 wasn't too worried. Her daughter didn't have a fever, her energy level was fine, and she was eating well.
I kind of wondered even if I should even bring her into the doctor.
Still, she wanted some peace of mind.
When they tested her for pertussis or whooping cough, I didn't think ever that it would come back positive.
But it did.
How do you test for pertussis?
Yeah, the test for pertussis, we're able to do it with a nasal swab. So this little Q-tip just goes in the nose, and then that's how we prepare it for our lab.
It turns out whooping cough cases are up in South Dakota. There were 40 cases in the first 3 months of the year, according to the Department of Health. That's a 567% increase compared to the 5-year average of just 6 cases.
It's actually not uncommon for us to periodically have outbreaks.
Jennifer Hager is a Sanford pediatrician.
There is some concern that over time that the illness can change. The main reason that outbreaks happen is even if patients are fully vaccinated, not everyone has perfect protection.
In fact, Feitbolch's daughter was vaccinated. Still, Hager says you're much better off if you receive the vaccine.
You could grab that Jenga game.
Something this mother agrees with. In Sioux Falls, Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.
Hager encourages you to make sure your kids are vaccinated against whooping cough. She also says pregnant women should get their vaccine and adults should check with their doctor to find out if they need a booster. You can find a link to vaccination guidelines in this story at KELOLAND.com.